We are pleased to show you 2021 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, front license plate bracket, tinted glass, body color door handles. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.